Brad Bisnett here from Cole Publishing, and I've got John from EPL Solutions. John, tell me a little bit about the Gvision.
Thanks, Brad. So this is a new model for us. This is the Gvision M1.
Okay.
And it's something we've been asked to make a Gvision in a Pelican ballistic type case.
Okay.
And this is our variation of what we think it needs to be. The other things we added to this is Wi-Fi and keyboard support, so you have text overlay and all the other features. To talk about what we did different with the design is instead of taking our traditional Gvision case and just simply put it in a box, we took our screen and we pivot the screen. So
awesome.
I can tickle it any single way. The other thing we did with this is with the Wi-Fi, as you can see in my phone, when I stream video to my phone and I push record, my phone is not recording. It's a remote control for the monitor. So I'm always recording to the monitor.
And you've got a keyboard in your hand also.
I do.
Okay, so does any keyboard work with this?
You can go to Walmart or any electronic store and buy a keyboard and plug it in. You have all the text overlays you want.
Okay.
If you have a question, I can figure out what my keyboard support is. These are all the functions of the keyboard. If I don't have a keyboard, the reel is how we navigate.
Ah, cool, look at that. That's awesome.
I can do the same thing with turning things on and off, text overlay, title generator, the whole 9 yards. The other thing we did too, Brad, is when we do recordings, it's saved on an internal solid state hard drive. Okay. And if I have USBs plugged in, I will make duplicates or copy the videos so I can make two copies at the same time and also access them from my remote control.
Sure. We're inside right now, but talk to me about outdoor use. If I'm up on a roof or something like that, am I going to be able to see this okay? So,
good question. So we get asked, you know, what does daylight vision mean? And we think daylight vision, to explain it, is when there's a video pipe inspection, you got to go through the roof. Traditionally, everyone takes all their equipment on the roof, and because that's what they need to do to see it.
Yeah, yeah.
You just tilt this so you can see it from the roof, walk up with the camera head, and from the roof you can see this monitor as clear as day, even with the sun behind you beating on the monitor.
Fantastic. Direct sunlight, no
direct sunlight
it whatsoever.
No, it's almost 100% anti-glare.
Okay.
Almost 100%. So the other thing that we wanted to do, I'll just power this down really quick, is how we mount it.
Okay.
Because you can keep the monitor or place the monitor on the reel, and we thought it was really cool to hang it from the handle.
Ah, genius.
Or you can set it on the ground.
Yeah. John, tell me about the cable reel on the Gvision.
Well, Brad, the cable reel, I sell it in 200, 300, and 400 foot lengths for mainline self-leveling camera. And you can see it's an open basket, and there's a cover that we can put over the basket. It just zips right on in a couple seconds. I call it a drip shield. So I have guys, I sell more 300 foot than I do 2.
Okay.
And my customers are coming back telling me it goes the distance.
Goes the distance. All right. John, I love the Pelican case feature on this Gvision model, but I'm standing right next to another version of the Gvision. Tell me a little bit about the difference in this one here.
Absolutely, Brad, gladly. Brad, over here we have the V7.
Okay.
The V7 is the same case design we've used in prior generations. We did some minor upgrades to this, actually not minor upgrades, pretty big upgrades externally and internally. We recessed the LCD further in.
Okay.
Took us about 3 years to develop this new case and get it right. So it wasn't a trivial thing. It's really difficult.
Sure.
But what we decided to do is take our V5 and make a V7. So we took this technology and built it right into here.
Okay.
So I have the same keyboard, I have the same USB, Wi-Fi, the whole 9 yards, but in an aluminum case option.
Okay, and why would somebody choose the aluminum case option versus the Pelican case option?
Because this is a proven case design. I've actually had customers that come in for firmware updates on the older model, the same case design, and I can see that it's got some dents into it, and we find out they actually run it over with their truck. I've got
it's incredibly durable.
Yeah, and we tried to make it, but I think we did it.
Okay.
I think we did it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And for more information, where can somebody go?
EPLS-USA.com or 714 453-9760.
Awesome. Thank you very
Brad.
much, John.
Thank you.
This is great.